Hi ladies, hi gents. I want to share with you a few small projects this evening, and I'm going to start by showing you this. These are art parts, and I bought these pocket watches. I actually got these at the NEC last year, and I was tidying up my craft area the other day, and I found them and I thought, oh, I must do something with these. So I took them out and I've altered a couple, and they're by I think it's Wendy Vicky Studio 490. I think a lot of the craft websites carry these. I'm sure if you Google art parts you'd be able to find them, and I believe there's lots of different art parts that you can get. Anyway, that's what I started with, and they're just chipboard pieces. Okay, so this is my first one. So what I did is I actually used the Tim Holtz distress stain, the picket fence, and just used that to colour it completely. And then I distressed the edges with Distress ink, which was the Victorian Velvet, which is my favourite, totally. And I also glimmer misted it. So that's the back of it, so you can probably just see the glimmer mist. Okay, and the paper I used is actually the romance novel, and then I stamped a clock face onto it, and the stamp was actually the Bow Bunny one, and it just fitted inside there perfectly. And again I distressed stained the front as well and glimmer misted it. Then I added some pearls and a pearl on the centre of the clock hands, and then I just cut out this little word memories from the graphic from the romance novel paper also, and also this tiny stamp, I cut that out as well. And then I added a tiny bit of this lace, and then I've just added some wild orchid craft flowers in a pink, black and taupe, and then some tiny rosebuds as well. And I think these would make a really cute gift. Just a little gift. You could actually add a small tag on the back and just write a message on it if you want to. But I think they're so cute. I had great fun altering this. Okay, so that's my Shabby Chic one. Then I did actually do one a little bit different to my normal style. So I did this one, and I sprayed this one with I used the distress stain, the walnut ink distress stain, and then I sprayed it with Tattered Angels, I think it's gold mist or something it's called, and I think you can just see it there. Oh wow, that actually looks better on camera. And I also did that on the front. And with this one, I actually cut this clock face out of a paper pack, and I think it was a Prima paper. And again, I did actually glimmer mist that. And then I just added some brown copperish pearls around here. Added a couple of Tim Holtz cogs, and inside this one I cut a number 4 out and I just glossy accent in there. Then I added a black bling onto this one, and then on this side I've just added 3 wild orchid craft flowers, 2 brown and a black. And then I've added one of the Tim Holtz tassels, the tiny chain tassels, and I've added it onto one of Tim Holtz paper clips, the tiny paper clips, and I've just hooked that under the flower and glued it down. And I thought that looked quite cute. And then this fleur-de-lis was actually a brad, and I cut the brad closure off the back, and I then just glued that down on there, and I thought that looked really cute. And I had so much fun altering these, I really did. And I'm so happy how this one turned out, because it's not my usual style. So I'm always a bit nervous, but I think it looks really cute. So those are my 2 pocket watches. So I hope you like those. Okay, I've just got a couple of other tiny small projects I want to show you. They're really tiny. So I had these wooden pieces, rectangle pieces, and I thought I'd make them into it's kind of like an art tile, but a bigger art tile. And I had these napkins with the fairies on. So I just Mod Podged that onto the wood piece, and then I just added some embossing powder using a stamp, it's like a border stamp, around the edges. I thought this would look cute added onto a project, tucked behind some flowers, or even just as it is, as a little gift. And on the back of this one I actually stamped a postcard stamp onto there, and I just washed over it with some distress stain and ink. So I thought that was quite cute. And I done another one, which was, I've left this one just using the napkin, which is the Paris napkin. So I've added the Eiffel Tower onto the front, and again I just Mod Podged it on there. And on the back I've used, from the same napkin, this image of this lady. And again, it either makes a cute little gift, or it could be used in a project, but you've got a choice of which side you'd want to use. And I'm just loving how these napkins are taken to different surfaces. This is a little wooden piece, but I've just really been playing around with it and I absolutely love it. So that's my little projects to share with you tonight. So I really hope you like them, and